Hi, second graders. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new program that we're going to be using for the rest of the year. It's a lot of fun. I think you'll enjoy it. It's called Scratch. And I just want to show you a couple of things that you're going to do with the program before I let you explore it completely on your own. You can see, as always, that I went right to the Brat Primary School Library page, and under second grade you can see Scratch. So go ahead and click on that. And this, as it's loading, is Scratch. Scratch is a coding program. So you'll remember that we did some coding during the Hour of Code where we programmed an animal to dance. This is kind of the same thing, except it's much more involved than that. So I'm going to take you through piece by piece. This is your sprite. This is the character that you're going to be programming. This here in the middle is your workspace. We can get rid of these videos because I really want you to explore it on your own rather than watching tutorial videos. And then over here, these are your coding blocks. This is what you're going to use to program your sprite. So what I want you to do to start off is I want you to go to the yellow box that says Events. These are your command buttons. So I want everyone, the first thing you do when you start using it is I want you to take this block right here. When green flag is clicked, I want you to take it and I want you to drag it over to your workspace and leave it right there. Everything you do is going to click right onto here like a puzzle piece, okay? This is your command. So I just want to show you a couple of things and then you're going to be on your own to explore. These are your motion blocks. These are the blocks that you're going to use to make your sprite move. I'm going to let you explore it a little bit. I'm just going to show you one. This one right here is go to random position. So I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to lock it under the flag. And then watch what happens when I click my green flag, which is right up here. See? He's just moving all over the place. Pretty cool. So those are the different ways that you can make him move. You can change the way the character looks. This is dialogue here. Dialogue, as you know, is conversation. You can do sounds, which I know you will love. Make sure you have your headphones on when you do this, okay? Then the other thing I wanted to show you is over on the bottom right, and that is the background. If you click this button right here all the way to the bottom right, these are all the different backgrounds that you can do with your sprite. So I'm, as you know, a big fan of the beach, so I'm going to click the beach and watch what happens to the background. Oof, there he is. He's on the beach. So cool. There we go. Now, make sure when you go to make more movement that your sprite is selected. Make sure you click that box and that there's a blue box around it. If you don't, if you click something else, for instance, if I click over here, I think, yeah, if my background is clicked, look what happens. You get a message that says no motion blocks. So make sure if you want to add more movement, you click your sprite. And yes, by the way, you can add characters. That's right here. You can add other friends for your sprite, other characters. There's many different ones, as you can see. So you can add a friend for your character. Why wouldn't a dinosaur want to be on the beach, right? So I'll add the dinosaur. Also, when you're coding, up here, you can see it's called a watermark. There's a light picture of the dinosaur. This will be the dinosaurs coding area. If you want to code your cat, make sure you click the cat, and you can see that. All right? So now that you've watched this video, I want you to go ahead and explore and see the different things that you can do with Scratch. Have fun and create.